What would happen if your tap stopped working tonight? Not next year. Not someday. Tonight. No warning. No text alert. No time to prepare. Just silence. You walk into the kitchen, turn the faucet, and nothing comes out. No drinking water. No shower. No toilet. No way to cook. Most people think blackouts only kill the lights. But in reality, the first thing modern society loses is water. Across America, water systems are becoming more fragile every year. Power grid failures, wildfires, droughts, frozen pipelines, contaminated reservoirs. Entire cities have already experienced water shutdowns lasting days. And when it happens, store shelves empty within hours. Bottled water disappears first. Panic starts immediately, because people suddenly realize something terrifying. Modern life only works when water keeps flowing. And most families are completely unprepared for the moment it stops. Most people assume water systems work automatically. They don't. Modern cities depend on electric pumps to move water through thousands of miles of pipelines. When the power grid fails, those pumps stop working. That means no pressure, no distribution, no running water. Even if water still exists somewhere in the system, it may never reach your house. This already happened in Texas during the winter storm blackout. It happened during California wildfires. It happened after hurricanes in Florida and Louisiana. And experts warn these events are becoming more common. The scary part: most people only prepare for food shortages. But humans survive weeks without food, without water, just days. When people think about emergency water, they usually buy bottled water. And yes, that's better than nothing. But there's a major problem. A family of 4 needs far more water than most people realize. Drinking, cooking, cleaning, basic hygiene. The average family can burn through emergency water supplies shockingly fast. And during real emergencies, you may not be able to buy more. Another problem: storage space. Most homes simply aren't designed to store hundreds of gallons of water long term. And then there's contamination, heat, plastic exposure, bacteria, expired storage. Emergency water planning is more complicated than people think. That's why more families are now looking into long-term backup solutions instead of temporary fixes. This is where things get interesting. In recent years, off-grid water systems have exploded in popularity. Rainwater collection, gravity-fed filtration systems, underground storage tanks, portable purification devices. And one technology that's getting massive attention right now: atmospheric water generators. Machines capable of pulling moisture directly from the air. At first, it sounds almost impossible. But the science is real. Air contains water vapor almost everywhere on Earth. Atmospheric systems cool the air, capture condensation, and transform humidity into usable water. Some systems are industrial. Others are surprisingly simple. And as water shortages increase around the world, more people are starting to look at atmospheric water as a serious emergency backup option, especially during blackouts and grid failures. Because unlike traditional water systems, these setups can operate independently from city infrastructure. The truth is, a growing number of Americans no longer trust the system to protect them during emergencies. And honestly, can you blame them? We've seen boil water notices, chemical contamination, pipeline failures, drought restrictions, water rationing, wildfire disasters. Every year feels more unstable than the last. And once people realize how vulnerable modern infrastructure really is, they start asking different questions. Not, will the government help me? But, how do I protect my family myself? That mindset is exactly why the off-grid movement is growing so quickly right now. People want independence, security, control, especially when it comes to something as essential as water. The reality is simple. Most people will wait until a crisis happens before they prepare. But by then, it's already too late. Water disappears fast during emergencies. And once panic begins, everyone is fighting for the same limited resources. That's why learning about emergency water systems now matters. Not during the blackout, before it. If you want more videos about emergency water solutions, off-grid systems, atmospheric water generators, and real-world preparedness, subscribe to Water Freedom. Because when the grid fails, water becomes power, and the families who prepare first usually suffer the least.